Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BZ back with another video, and today of course we're going to be doing live trading as we always do, but today I'm going to show you one of the secrets that you have to be looking at when you're looking at different pairs. So for example, today we'll be taking a look at British pounds against different pairs, and we'll see how sometimes you could use one currency pair to really find great entry points against different currency pairs. So definitely sit back and relax, and let's jump right into the video. But before we do that, you know I gotta plug my things. So don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, hit me up on Instagram as well, and don't forget to follow your boy on the best Telegram channel. Links will be in the description. And also, if you're looking for a good broker, Pocket Option might be the one for you. Links will be in the description. Go try it out yourself. It's got a free demo version, so you don't have to really spend any money. So definitely go give it a try. Links are in the description. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's get right into the chart. And as you can see, I've got all regular pairs with 92% payback. I've got some 82% payouts, but I'm not really worried about them. As you know, I've got my favorite indicators. I've got my moving average, my stochastic oscillator, and my zigzag. My moving average, doubled it up for some reason. I'm gonna go 200 EMA, not 250, but 200 EMA. And maybe I'll change the color because as well, it's just the same. Let's go red. Save that. So as you can see here, we're looking at situations in the market. You can see creating new highs right here. Right here, it doesn't create a new high, but it stays. But we're creating new lows. Not a new high, but it looks like we're creating a new low right here. So I think that this might also be a good point to enter into a put. For $2 grand, enter into a put. We can see that the market is creating new lows. We're trying to follow that direction. We enter into that trade very quickly and come here and see how our trade is doing on that. That's on British pound, Canadian dollar, and it looks like that was a good little situation for us. We're able to enter and make some money out of that as quickly as possible. With 30 seconds left on that, I think that that's a good trade. We can move on. We can go to British pounds, Australian dollar. We can see the same situation repeating with British pound and Canadian dollar. We can see also a downtrend as well, but we can see before it created a new high here, but it never really touched that base. And now we're seeing what will look like the beginning of a downward trend. We might think that the market might reverse somewhere around here. So right now, if we really truly believe that the market isn't going to see any reversal, I can see that we took our trade, nice little profit while I was trying to explain this. So I think in this situation, we might as well also follow that trend downwards. Why? I see that the candles, the strengths of the candles, I can see that even though the buyers try to push the price up, I'm still able to see that the sellers are still pushing, and they're pushing strong. And we can see that we are in oversold conditions, and we've been there for a while. As you can see, the strength of these candles over here, even though you see a little bit of buyers trying to rally, push that price up, you can see how short, how stocky those candles are, and it doesn't really help us in this situation. So you can still see them fight and pushing that price up, but I think that the sellers are just going to have it. It might not be as it might not be the same situation that we see in the market here, but I think anywhere even close to anything that we've seen earlier, I think we're still going to be able to take profit on that and be able to make money over it. So with about 9 seconds left, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm thinking because we've done this, we've seen how British pounds is doing against all of this markets. We might see a turn here, I said. We might see a turn. Wait, not there. So we haven't hit that level yet at all. I'm still all in on going low, just to test. I think that this is a fake out. But you might see the sellers push the price in one direction. Only for that might last a minute or maybe a couple of minutes. But I truly believe that the market will continue to pull downwards. We haven't hit support, So there's no need for us to see and you can see there's no need for it to see a huge move in the market. Could have entered for a lot more, but let's go back to British pounds and Canadian dollars. And in this situation, we will say right here might be what we call support. And we're seeing a situation where we might also decide to go into a call. We can see a couple of candles here, but you don't want to get faked out by these candles. You can see the strength of the candles. The sellers are still pushing this, but it looks like how long that wick is, but we don't really see any. But I'm a little worried because you can see the sellers rallying back to push that price higher. And this might be a situation where the market has changed and we have to enter into a call perhaps. I'm a little skeptical because I see very good candle to begin with. Okay, let's enter into a call. I like the strength of this candle, but I'm a little bit worried because I truly believe that this currency has been crashing against each other all day. And when we go back to British pound, Australian dollar, we still find ourselves in a situation. The market still hasn't touched yet, but you can see what's starting to be a very nice little candle forming. You can see the price being pushed down, but we're still unsure of where this candle is going to end. That would have been a great point to enter around that 8-second mark. I think if we would have entered into a put, we probably would have taken this profit. Our trade is out of the money with 14 seconds left. We should have followed our guts on this. And so we got faked out. But I don't think that, and the same thing almost happened here if we did enter into a call. So now we have our first loss for 1,000. And it's not a big deal. We're gonna stick to both of them. So we still haven't hit. You can look at where support is. So we should see the market gradually sink downwards. Just looking for a nice little entry point. I'm a little worried because I don't want to enter relatively close to the end of the candle. I want to see a little bit of a fake out and then enter. Okay, I didn't get into my fake out completely, but I think I might have to double up to make back my money on this situation. Come on, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, more, right, a little bit higher. Okay, I don't think I can wait for it to go any more higher. So we're entered into a 5K. Just believing that we're going to continue to trade with the trend and not try to force a trade against the trend in this situation. Because even though right here in one of those trades, I really thought that the market was in a situation where it would, transform and push. The buyers were, rallying and pushing that price to a point that it's supposed to be. In my mind, that's what I thought. And as you can see now, we can see the sellers right now pushing, being completely pushed out. And we lost another 1,000. We've got about 18 seconds. I like the fact that we can see that long wick here, which shows that the sellers are really pushing that price and fighting them back. And at the end of the day, we are able to take a profit on that as quickly as possible, as you can see for yourself. And you can see here of all the trades that we've done today. We kind of stayed with British pounds, and we followed the trend downwards on different pairs, so you can see how the currency pair was trading against Canadian dollar as well as against Australian dollar, and we're able to find those and see that currency is tanking. We're able to make some profits over that. Although we lost about $2,000 trying to make those decisions, but I think we made up for it at the end of the day. So I think it's a really great live trading session. Thank you guys for joining me one time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the best Telegram channel with free signals every single day and a VIP that's absolutely free as well. All you gotta do is hit me up and you get in. So thank you guys for joining me. It's me, your boy Busy, and I'm out.